Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to install the CatchOnTV application to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple minutes. First of all, what you have to do is get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll go to search on our device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. As you can see, the loader has already appeared for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We'll click on the loader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after we get the loader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up the loader, we'll go to settings. Here they are, go to My Fire TV, and here we'll have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see now, the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we go to install unknown apps, find VDownloader right here, and turn that option on for VDownloader. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on our device. Here it is, open it. And there is the downloader app, which we got to our device. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great application for Fire Stick, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to United Kingdom right now, and from the moment we connect, all our internet traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's extremely important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or get your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to send you to the best available offer for NordVPN. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the best NordVPN deal. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now we open the Downloader application. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. And then here in that search bar, we'll have to enter a code, which is going to be 28907 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907 and then we click on Go. And now in a couple of seconds, the website is going to open for us. And now when the website has opened for us, we have to scroll down a little bit until we find that list of categories. And here we have to click on the IPTV players. So we click on them, and now a huge list of apps has opened for us, and there's the CatchOnTV application, which we are looking for. So we click on it, then some kind of ad might open for you. If it does, do not click on open, because if you click open, then it's going to mess everything up for you. So instead of open, we have to click on close to close the ad, and then a new web page is actually going to open for us, which is right here. So we also have to scroll down, and we gotta keep scrolling until we find those download buttons right here. So there's the usual download button, but if for some reason it does not work for you and the download does not start, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. Now let's click on download right here. So we click on it, and now the download should start for us. Usually it does not take long. Here we click on install and wait until CatchOnTV gets installed to the Fire Stick. After that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file. as we really do not need it anymore. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we have erased unnecessary installation files from our device. Finally, let's go to the list of apps on our Firestick. Here it is, open it, scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find the CatchOnTV application which we just installed. Now I will recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button of 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way CatchOnTV is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then of course don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And after that, let's open CatchOnTV app. Here it may ask you to update, so let's click on the update. Then it's going to say that you have to turn on the option to install unknown apps. So we click on the settings button, go to install unknown apps, locate CatchOnTV right here. Make sure to turn that option on. Then we go back to the list of applications, turn on the Catch On, and after the app gets updated, just turn it on again, and from here you just basically need to enter the prepay code which you got from your CatchOnTV subscription service. And that's it, that's the easy way to get CatchOnTV to your Fire Stick or Android TV.